Hi, my name is Hermann Lassleben. I'm a professor for human resource management at ESB Business School in Reutlingen University, Germany, close to Stuttgart. I'm glad to be here at ZSEM, Zagreb School of Economics and Management, which is our partner university. I'm teaching recruiting and selection in an MBA class focusing on human resource management, and today I'm doing an executive seminar on change management, and I'm glad to have the opportunity to teach both of these subjects here at Zagreb. I think the ZSEM is a wonderful and prospering institution. I heard much about it. I was able to attend some presentations yesterday about ZSEM, and I'm glad as a representative of ESB Business School that we have a partnership, and I hope that this partnership is prospering and we exchange even more students, even more professors and staff to learn from each other. It's not only that ZSEM may learn from us, but we are also interested in learning from ZSEM, which is even further on the process of AAC SB accreditation that we are, and they may provide some very relevant information for our school, which we can profit on in the process we are just entering. Today's seminar is about change management, and it's very interesting to discuss with Croatian managers and Croatian business people about the challenges of change management, of changing organizations. And to my understanding, there are a few issues in change management that are quite similar in the two of our countries. The one is that we often underestimate the complexity of change. We often think that changes may be restricted to some modifications of structures, some improvements of processes. We do not see that in most cases changes of an organization also affect the organizational culture, also affect people's attitudes, people's expectations, people's knowledge, and that we always also have to take into account this dimension of change and try to guide change processes also in the area of culture change. A second aspect I found out in the discussions that is quite similar is that people who are confessed with steering change processes in organizations underestimate the necessity of communication. Often we think that the changes they initiate, they should convince people due to being superior in contrast to how we did things in the past. But this is a false assumption. People who have not been involved in the process of getting to some conclusions about things should be done in the future, they have no possibility to see the logic behind the changes. And it is very important that through communicating, through talking and through conveying the meaning behind changes we initiate, we try to get the people on board of these changes. Because if we do not accomplish to get people on board of changes we initiate in our companies, these changes are deemed to fail. This is my opinion, and this is what we arrived upon also in our discussions in today's seminar.